Hey there, fellow RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to Two Traveling Teachers, your go-to place for all things RV living. Today we're tackling a common issue that every RVer faces, that annoying wobble when you're parked. Whether it's from wind, people moving around inside, or just uneven ground, that sway can be pretty frustrating. We've tried putting blocks under our stabilizing jacks to help support the RV frame. We've also used X-chocks to lock the wheels in place to prevent the front to back movement. And of course, we've used chocks to stop any rolling. All of these have given us limited success in stopping the wobble. But don't worry, we've got a simple, cost-effective solution for you. A DIY wobble stopper using 2x4s and ratchet straps. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at what you will need for this project. You'll need 2x4 lumber cut to the appropriate lengths. You'll also need ratchet straps, and you'll need eye bolts. Ready? Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is cut the lumber to the appropriate length. How long you'll need it will really depend on the terrain that you're parked on. I've seen other do-it-yourselfers cut 3 different lengths, so they'll be prepared for whatever terrain they're parked on. Typically, they'll cut them into 44-inch lengths, 42-inch lengths, and 40-inch lengths. I chose to do just one length, the 44-inch length, due to limited space and weight in my truck. You'll need to make 45-degree angle cuts on both ends of the 2x4s. Then drill a hole 6 to 8 inches from one end of each 2x4. These holes are for the eyelet bolts. Arrange the eyelets toward the shorter side of the cut board. When you're prepared to use these, position the 2x4s diagonally between the RV frame and the ground. Be sure the eyelet side is closest to the ground. Make sure the V-wedge of the board is wedged up against the frame and not the underbelly. One set will be placed near the front of the trailer and the other will be placed near the back of the trailer. Make sure the bottom ends rest firmly on the ground for maximum stability. Now place the ratchet strap hooks through the eyelet bolts. Tighten the straps to create tension, pulling the 2x4s tight against the frame and the ground. When used in conjunction with stabilizer jacks, X-chocks, and regular chocks, your RV will be rock solid. And there you have it, a simple DIY wobble stopper that will make your RV much more stable. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on RV living. Safe travels and happy camping.